Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm back again with another tutorial. This time it's on how to draft a 360-degree peplum or flare. Well, it's actually very easy. It's super duper easy. With the calculations I'm going to be exposing to you, you will see how easy it is. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell as well, so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. That being said, let's go straight to the business of the day. Before we go into drafting the pattern, I want us to understand a circle. A full circle is a circumference. Dividing it into two, it's a diameter. Our major concern right here is the radius, which is 1/4 of a circle. So a full circle is 360 degrees, and just half of this we need to find out how to get it. So to get this, there is a formula, and the formula is 2 pi r. So C, which is the circumference, is equal to 2 pi r. For us to make r the subject of formula, we go by and divide both sides by 2 pi, making r to stand alone. Okay, so where pi is actually equal to 3.142. So now our radius is now C, which is the circumference, and that is the waist measurement. Mine is 28 inches. You go ahead to divide that by 2 times pi, and remember our pi is no more pi, it's now 3.142. okay, so when you have that 3.142, you go ahead to multiply 2 by 3.142. when you multiply 2 by 3.142, it's easier to calculate that way. So what you just do is you just say 28 divided by whatever answer you get, and mine, I got 6.284. so you go ahead to divide 28 by 6.284. once you've done that, I got 4.456. so our radius now is 4.456, but approximating that, you get 4.5. Because I don't like to waste fabric or pattern paper, I went ahead to add 4.5 inches, which is the radius, plus the length of my peplum, which is 9, together, giving me a total of 13.5 inches. So that way I can just mark 13.5 inches on my pattern paper and I won't waste it. So I went ahead to fold the pattern paper into two, like so, and then you go ahead and straighten your pattern paper very well, so your whatever measurement becomes accurate. Now you refold again, so you can see I've refolded again, making a total of 4. Remember that circle from the beginning. You can pause this video and go back, so you understand it better now. So you can see that there are 4 pieces here, making a circle. So I'm going ahead now to just check my measurement again. So the next thing you have to do now is you would mark 4.5, which is our radius. You mark that from the apex of the pattern paper, and you can see I'm marking from the apex of my pattern paper. So I'm going ahead to mark 4.5 on my pattern paper. You do that and go round just the way I'm doing it right here. So once you're done doing that, the next thing now is to connect the dots to make a curve. So after doing this, you now take measurement of your peplum length, depending on whatever length you want. So mine is 9 inches. I'm going ahead now to mark 9 inches. You go round again, just the way we did the first one. You do that measurement, because I don't want my peplum length to be equal, so I went a bit higher on this other side. Now the next thing you have to do is to connect the dots again. My curve is not giving me what I want, so I just went ahead to use my hand just like that. After doing that, you go ahead to cut out the pattern. Okay, so our circle is done. We have our full circle now, and that is our circumference is ready. Now you go ahead to take measurement of the circle to confirm if it's the same as your normal waist measurement. My waist measurement is 28 inches, but here is actually more than 28, so I'll take the leftover to be my sewing allowance. After doing that, this is what I have. Don't forget to slash through one side for your zip. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you've not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.